Rolling. Action.
I love the smell of your hair.
Uh-huh.
Lord. A man could die happy like this.
Well, don't.
What shampoo is this?
Herbal essence?
Herbal essence. I'm gonna buy me some herbal essence. And when I'm all alone in the house, I'm gonna get into the bathtub and uncap the bottle and...
Be good.
What?
Stop being bad.
What did you think I was gonna say? What do you think I'm gonna do with the shampoo?
I don't want to know. I don't want to hear it.
I'm gonna wash my hair, that's all.
No?
What did you think I was gonna do?
Nothing. Something nasty.
With shampoo? Lord, gal, you're mine.
And whose fault is it?
Not mine. I got the mind of a Boy Scout.
Right. A horny Boy Scout.
Boy Scouts are always horny. What do you think the first merit badge is for?
There. You're going to be nasty again.
Oh no, I'm good. I'm very good.
It's getting late.
Don't change the subject. I was talking about how good I am. Are you ever gonna let me show you how good I am?
Don't go over the line now.
I won't. I'm not going to do anything you don't want me to do.
That's right.
But I've been good all week.
You have?
Yes, all week, not a single drink.
Good boy.
Do I get a reward for not drinking?
A small one. It's getting late.
Just let me undo you. I'll do you back up.
All right. But be quick about it. That's amazing. The way you can undo the hooks through my blouse with one hand.
Years of practice.
I bet you'll make an incredible brain surgeon with that dexterity.
I'll bet Clyde. What's the name of the boy taking you to the prom?
Claude Suitors?
Claude Suitors. I'll bet it takes him, both hands, lights on, and you helping him on to get to first base.
Maybe.
Can I kiss them, please?
I don't know.
Don't make a grown man beg.
Just one kiss.
I'm gonna lift your blouse.
It's a little cold.
That's not why you're shivering. How does that feel?
It's okay.
I tell you, you can keep all the cathedrals of Europe. Just give me a second with these celestial orbs.
Uncle Peg, we've gotta go. I've got graduation rehearsal at school tomorrow morning. And you'd better get on home to Aunt Mary.
All right, no bid.
Don't call me that no more. Anymore. I'm a big girl now. As you know.
That you are. Going on 18. Kittens will turn into cats. I live all week long for these few minutes with you. You know that?
I'll drive.